All right, sir, what's your favorite song you like to karaoke?
What we can do?
I'm feeling the need for speed right now.
Oh, I can do that.
Hey, I'm Casey Putsch from the Genius Garage Educational Programs, and recently I got invited by the United States Air Force Thunderbirds to go spend 2 days with them at Nellis Air Force Base. I got to work alongside of them and even go fly in one of the F16s. They like the values going on here at Genius Garage to forward things for the next young generation, and it seems to reflect their own. So I'm going to have a series coming up, but this is my time, the greatest honor of my life, with the United States Air Force Thunderbirds.
So what's cool about the Thunderbirds is 28 different skill sets.
Yes.
Within our building, and everybody does their thing to make it seem seamless.
Air Force Base.
Check it out.
That alone will tear these things up. Like you can see on the left one, it's kind of got like grooves in it from just landing so rough.
It's got your mid-port
Take off, you're at 1G.
Yes.
You're going about 500 miles an hour. Once
I like that.
Once you get to the end of the runway, you're going to pull straight up in the vertical.
I like that too.
And that's
All right, I'm yours.
All right, man. Let's go. You ready?
Hey, Casey, give us a smile.
Yes. Is this real? Am I doing this?
You are doing this, yes.
Yeah!
Next thing is the ejection seat arming lever.
What's it mean to you? What's it mean to me? I've always wanted to do something bigger than myself.
Yank the whole thing, concord off, chuck it, don't need it.
Like maximum roll, like yeah. Actually, I love rolls.
But yeah, no, that's hilarious, man. What a small world.
Got my chicken legs.
Right, so today you're gonna be the honorary Thunderbird.
Hugely honored.
Perfect. Awesome. All right, sir, so we're gonna jump right in. You get behind your head, sir. Oh, you have the right to remain silent.
Oh. Now it catches up to me? Oh, man.
But yeah, you let it relax at this point, and we're just gonna go in here and get real personal for a minute.
I didn't have to take you to dinner.
Here in front of you have your survival kit, all the
Yes.
components that's gonna be in it. So you have your life raft right here. So right now, just kind of got
Hold up, I'm making funny faces here.
All right, sir, what's your favorite song you like to karaoke?
All right, Casey, send us off. This hairline's good for an extra 10 knots.
It's gonna be a good one. Here we go.
I got my Marine buddy in flight training watching right now. Laswell! Beat that.
Altitude.
Like an IndyCar.
Altitude.
300.
I'm still pulling harder. Yeah!
Okay, Casey, get ready.
Yes, sir. Time to go.
Good squeeze, good breath. Here comes the G.
Yeah, we're going to the moon!
Traveler 64 Yankee leaving Las Vegas Bravo Airspace radar service terminated squawk via South 18 for good day.
All right, let's look outside.
Yes, sir! What up, Las Vegas?
Here comes the second
baby.
pull.
Yes! Yeah! Yes! That is what I am talking about! Oh my God!
Well, this will probably be the best view of Vegas you can get.
Holy crap!
All right, Casey, got to make some radio calls. I'll be right back, okay?
Yes, sir.
Thunderbird 7, free to change crew.
Super 7, thanks.
I'm good.
All right, you want to give this thing a try really quick here,
Yes,
Casey?
sir.
All right, so you got the lay of the land there.
Honored. You're about 350 knots coming up.
Yeah, you can give us one more good turn to the left.
Can do, here we go.
Check out the snow over here.
Oh, yeah! Yeah!
Oh, well done, about 4 Gs there. Wow. Alright, then if you get back to level right here.
Oh,
Say hi to the folks on the road right here.
Oh, yeah.
Folks gone ready now.
welcome to Boss Isley Space Force. You will never find a more wretched high coming through.
Find out for that traffic for Shark.
Shark 1 easy.
Less than a mile now, westbound, same altitude.
Oh.
Joshua approach, hammer 20 miles east of Tucky. Request safety.
Set.
Ow! Holy crap!
Thunderbird 7, Africa, 50 feet, maintain VFR, resume on navigation.
Thumbs up, we roll.
Yeah.
There is -1G.
275.9 is on, tuning up now, and go ahead and change the mission frequency.
For our smoke trail behind us. There it is. It's way back there. Start a little earlier. Getting a little light right here.
Oh, yeah.
0G.
Yes, sir.
And I'm at Shark 1.
Holy
Alright. Give everybody a pretty decent view over here of what we can do. Oh, just take us all the way around.
Alright, going left.
Ready.
Oh, yeah! That's beautiful.
Nicely done. You're exactly right. The faster you go faster.
Hammer 01, Joshua approach.
I think I entered another dimension. I've been a bit of a climbing turn there.
It's alright. We got about 1,000 feet.
Creech base right there, named after General Creech that kept you guys flying.
That's
back
right.
then.
That's exactly
How epic what this actually is. And I can't even imagine. You imagine being Chuck Yeager and being dropped in a little, like when you rocket plane out of
Yeah, that's right, an X1, yeah.
Come on.
-G,
Wow.
here's the left
I am
side
hanging.
rudder.
It's fun feeling the wings buffeting when you know you're hanging in there.
Yeah, that's everything the jet's got.
Gravity is on again.
Here comes the flip turn.
Yes, sir. Ow!
Joshua, Shark on 1016, I'm hearing you.
Alright, straight up and roll.
Oh, baby, baby, here we
South on
go.
F16, same altitude.
There now, so this is the big one. Squeeze your ass off.
That's
hold on
right,
to breath.
yeah. We'll
And the other guys had a rapid. Again, not sure what happened. Just
Bingo.
up on the right
Bingo.
frequency as you move around.
Alright, Casey, how was that? That's 9Gs.
That's
Hammer
Hey,
1,
oh,
radio
right
terminated
there.
since the low-level
Holy
frequency
crap.
approved.
holy crap.
Alright, man, we'll take it easy for just a second. Nice job.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for being a part of it. Thanks for your interest in the team and certainly everything you're doing to help forward the next generation of people who are interested in cool things like engineering.
Absolutely. And not only that, but for any young person out there who want to do something big, be part of something bigger than themselves, we're better than the United States Air Force.
That's right, we need that for a tagline. Alright, and we're gonna pop this thing back up and we'll be ready for a nice cruise home.
Yes, sir.
Love the cockpit.
We need to go inside? Yeah, we can.
There, you get the vomit bag of the next guy.
Although honestly, my shoulders are a little broad for the seats that Ferrari and Bodie is a lot bigger than me.
That'll be good.
Awesome.
Best ride ever, right?
Oh yeah. Thank you very much. Much appreciated.
Oh my God.
Awesome. Hey, good job.
Thanks for everything you do to further what we talked about in the jet for the next generation of people interested in working on things, tinkering on things, engineering with the Genius Garage effort.
1, 2, 3. My bottles. Yeah. Right on. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Nice to meet you, man.
Very nice to meet you as well.
I'll see you up there in a couple months.
For sure. For sure.
See you in the Ferrari. Well, that's the time with the Thunderbirds, guys. We're getting out of here. I got Bodie here. What you feeling, Bodie? I'm feeling the need for speed right now. Oh, I can do that. We got the Force, guys. I'll see you next time. See ya.